Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 2 episodes, we are going to show you mind-blowing facts about Babymonster. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive news and life-changing content. So let's get it started. Everything we know so far about YG Entertainment's new K-pop girl group, Babymonster. 5. The brand new K-pop ensemble has 7 members. According to YG Entertainment and depicted in the official teaser image, the equally elated group will consist of a total of 7 members. 6. The first member to be revealed is Shin Haram. 7. The second member of the group is Young Ah-yeon. 8. K-pop enthusiasts with keen eyes have already identified another potential member of Babymonster. Following the release of YG's official Babymonster teaser video, keen-eyed fans have already identified the remaining members who will be joining the group. The group also includes Lee Dane, South Korean, Preetha, Thai, Laura, South Korean, Chiquita, Thai, Miran, Japanese, and Asa, Japanese, although their names have not yet been publicly revealed. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.